हेलो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, नमस्ते, वेलकम बैक। मैं आपकी होस्ट रियल एस्टेट कंसल्टेंट सिमरन गुप्ता आपका दिल से हमारे ऑफिशियल कोड एस्टेट यूट्यूब चैनल पे स्वागत करती हूँ। आज हम देखने वाले हैं a luxurious and a private estate which is about 2.5-3 hour drive from Mumbai. It features 5 spacious bedroom, gorgeous views. You can see how beautiful the landscape of this property is. You also get lake view which is at a distance but gives you an amazing feeling. The peace and the rejuvenation that you feel in this estate is unlike any other property I must have shown you before on this channel. So watch the video to the very end, friends. Also, I won't take much of your time, so let's begin the property tour. Before I begin, support us. Subscribe to our Code Estates official YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Facebook and on Instagram. It is code.estate. So this is the outdoor area of the home where we get a private pool, we get this open bar, we get so many outdoor sittings. There's a small pocket terrace right there with a jhula and an informal sitting area where you can have panoramic views of the hills and the beautiful landscape of Igatpuri. You also enjoy beautiful lake view. Let's zoom on to the lake and see how gorgeous that scenery is. Looks like it's straight out of a frame. It's amazing and gorgeous. Stunning place. Plus, if you want to enjoy a nice tea session with your family in your private lawn, you also have a gazebo where you can sit, relax and unwind. Now I'm just stepping in to the living room. You can see how stunning the indoor-outdoor experience of this house is. The indoors blend perfectly seamlessly with the outdoor spaces. These are some informal spaces that you can enjoy with your friends and family. And now I'm stepping into the living room where we have a formal couch or a sitting arrangement. You can see how modern the furniture is. Here in the center we have a coffee table, great 10.5 feet floor to ceiling height. We get curtains all around. So there's a lot of natural light and ventilation into the property. You can see there's window on this side, window on that side, so you can enjoy the beautiful landscapes of Igatpuri. This side we get a 10-seater dining and over there is the open kitchen. I don't want you to miss the kind of view that one gets when they are chilling indoors. So that's the view that you get, friends. Let's quickly hop on the outdoor area and again glance at the amazing landscape. The hills, the trees, the lakes, the sky. All of you deserve this. After living in that hustling environment of Mumbai, this retreat is what our mind and soul needs. Now, let's check the bedrooms and the other areas of the property. So this is the first bedroom. It's a cozy one, 2 sides open, giving you amazing landscape views. We've got curtain and glass window on this side and right in front of the bed. The orientation is such that you wake up to the greens of the space. Let's take a quick look at the bathroom. It has a skylight right above your bath. तो हमने लेवल 1 देख लिया है। अब चलिए प्रॉपर्टी का सेकंड लेवल देखते हैं। तो हम ये सीढ़ी लेंगे, ऊपर चलते हैं और आप देखिए, पहले रूफ देखिए इस घर का, बहुत अच्छे से कस्टमाइज किया है। आखिर ये सेकंड होम है तो आपको एक प्यारा सा एक्सपीरियंस देने के लिए हमने बहुत एफर्ट्स डाले हैं। सनलाइट आप देख ही सकते हैं घर में कितनी रोशनी है, चारों तरफ से घर खुला हुआ है। दिस इज अ प्राइवेट टीवी एरिया। Let's hop on this terrace. It's my favorite part of the home. So आप देख सकते हैं, this is the sitting that I absolutely love. A terrace which is perfect, giving you amazing 360-degree views. Look around me. It's amazing and breathtaking how gorgeous everything looks. If you love sundowners, I love sunsets, the vibe. Now it's time to go inside and give you a tour of the other 3 bedrooms. So on this side, we've got the second bedroom. Let's take a quick look. It's similar to what we had seen down. Wow. So this is my favorite bedroom of this estate. You can see the roofing, well thought of. We get a wardrobe unit, a king size bed, a lounger on this side, rugs, and great views. This is the attached bath and toilet where we get anti-skid flooring, we get a basin, we get some shutters, storage underneath, WC and a shower area. तो ये थे हमारे दो कमरे, दो और कमरे देखेंगे हम जो पीछे की तरफ है। ये जो आप एरिया देख रहे हैं ये भी आप ही की प्रॉपर्टी का हिस्सा है। आप चाहें तो यहाँ पे एक और टेरेस बना सकते हैं, नहीं तो गार्डनिंग कर सकते हैं। ये आपको क्या पसंद है, आप अपने घर में ऐसा क्या चाहते हैं, फाउंटेन चाहते हैं तो फाउंटेन बनाइए। जो भी आपकी ख्वाहिशें हैं वो सब आप इस एस्टेट में पूरी कर सकते हैं। एक बहुत प्यारी प्रॉपर्टी है ये। हम देख रहे हैं तीसरा कमरा, यहाँ पे भी हमें एक बेड मिलता है, साइड टेबल मिलते हैं, comfortable couches, high ceilings, AC unit, an attached bathroom over here. An attached bathroom. So this was the third bedroom. Also, let's not miss this. This is a great 4.5 feet wide balcony. So if you want some fresh breeze, you can just hop on the balcony and enjoy the amazing views. It feels like we've been teleported into another world. This is amazing. The views are stunning. It's a spacious bedroom. I think out of all the 4 bedrooms that we have seen, this one is the biggest. It's got high ceilings. I can see that it's 2 sides open, soundproof because I hear absolutely no sound. Plus, we get a dedicated walking space and an attached bath and toilet. These sloping roofs, they just really make you feel like you are somewhere else. This doesn't feel like Maharashtra, it feels brand new. This is the restroom area, the bathroom that gives you an inbuilt bathtub and a stunning skylight. Wardrobe space and a mirror unit over here. You must be wondering where's the 5th bedroom, the 2nd kitchen. This property also has a driver's room and 1 more staff quarter. Unfortunately, I won't be able to give you a glimpse of those spaces because they are pretty undone right now and are currently occupied by the chef and the drivers. So maybe when you visit the place, I will give you a complete tour. It was a long shoot, but I'm not tired. I still feel energetic because the air is so fresh, the food we ate was so real and water so pure. This is Igatpuri, my friends, a home away from home. If you want to make this your private estate, then contact us. This is Court Estate's one of most exclusive listings. All the information about this property I'm putting in the description box below. I'm your host, real estate consultant Simran Gupta. I'll see you next time on our channel with another superb real estate property tour. तो हमें सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलें। ये हमारा ऑफिशियल यूट्यूब चैनल है। आप हमें फेसबुक एंड इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं discord.estate.